Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I am not alone in the match today because you are joining me.
That's correct. I'm Tom, and as you can see, we're shooting British guns today.
Yes, we are. So today's match only has 2 rifle stages. So rather than just show one of them, I thought it'd be fun to show you 2 different rifles on our 2 stages. So I've got a No. 5 Mark I Jungle Carbine. And what do you have?
I got a Mark IV Martini-Henry, the gamer edition, because I got this long lever to eject cartridges, so I got leverage on my side.
Fantastic. Yeah, I thought I was going to show up and be, you know, king of the rifle calibers with, 303 British.
Oh, yeah, no, I decided, let's put that to shame with my $6 a shot 5.77 450.
Oof. Are you buying that or hand-loading it yourself?
Hand-loading. Converting 24 gauge shotgun shell brass.
Fantastic.
Necking it down and loading with a carbine load of, like, it's a 405 grain bullet, paper patched, over 80 grains of black powder.
Real black powder.
Real black powder.
Fantastic. I'm doing none of that. I'm shooting factory 174 grain 303 FMJ.
Oh, cute.
So, it's adorable. All right, well, let's dig in and see how this terrible idea goes.
I'm looking forward to it.
Are you ready? Sure. Stand by. Hit. Nope. High.
So for what it's worth, I took this rifle out and zeroed it before the match, or checked it 0. I didn't adjust it. And it was shooting a bit high and to the right at 50 meters, but I didn't actually try it at 100, which is what we're shooting at here, which clearly I should have. There are 2 targets on this stage. The right-hand one is a full-size silhouette, which I had no trouble hitting. The left one is about a half-size silhouette, which is quite a lot more difficult, obviously. For those of you who haven't watched some of the 2-gun matches before, I will also remind you that standard policy for the 2-gun action challenge match.
I have no idea.
Where I need to aim for this.
When your windage is good, you're high, and when your elevation is good, you're left.
Sorry, standard policy for the match is that targets are never made more visible. So targets are never painted. And in this case, in the morning on this bay, they are pretty much always in the shadow like this.
Hit.
Ah! I don't know what that was.
Right one. Hit. Prone. Hit. Hit. Green box. Hit. Hit. No. Right. High. Low.
For what it's worth, my equipment here is a total hodgepodge. This is fairly modern British desert camo with a US M1 Garand web belt where I've just stuck one 303 clip in each pouch.
Right. Hit. Hit.
Oh, jeez.
Shooter's ready. Stand by. Hit.
Was there any doubt?
High. Good center.
Headshot.
Crap.
Hit. Couldn't see it. Looks like it was
High
left,
left.
a little bit high.
Not much, a little bit high left.
High. Good center. Hit! Headshot.
Damn it.
Hit! Right over the left shoulder, very close. Just above it. Yep. High right. Hit! Green box. Hit!
This isn't fair.
High right, but mostly right. Just above it. So close.
In the hole.
High and a little right.
Time.
Well, that's about $100 worth of ammo.
I see clear. So
Way to go.
180 and 3.
Hey.
180 and 3.
It actually was a lot better than I was expecting. I mean, I can't see what I was shooting at after each shot, but it worked out.
That small target, you can't see what you're shooting at before that shot either.
Fair point.
You look like a sprightly running sort of fellow. How do you feel about this?
Oh, I'm going to die. Ready?
Shooters ready, stand by.
Hit! Aim there. Just keep aiming there.
Hit!
So the deal for this stage is that there are actually 4 target stands downrange. The one on the far left is a half-size silhouette, which just stays there. The one on the right is a mini IPSC silhouette, and you have to hit it. Well, you get one hit on each of the targets, and then you have to run downrange and move the small target over to the next target stand. And then you hit them again, and you have to move it to the 3rd target stand, then hit them again, and then you finally have to move it back to the first one, so it's a self-resetting stage.
Hit! Hit!
It's also a lot more work doing those runs than you might anticipate, even if you're in pretty good shape. If you push on these, this will get you winded and worn out in short order.
High!
Hit! Hit! Come on, you got this.
Oh, that's good.
Absolute mad lad. He's got time. I think he can do it. 2 hits. High. High. Bring it down low. Hit. Oh, drats.
Ah!
Yeah. Shooters ready, stand by. Hit. 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 Hit.
Ah!
Nice work.
All right, so I just basically finished
And you did fantastic.
that last stage.
Yeah.
That was a lot of sprinting.
Yeah. What is it, like 200 yards or something like that total?
3.
Three.
Yeah. 6 laps, 50 meters each.
Yeah.
So, and props on resetting that big target. The way the rules work, I understand why you did it, but you didn't actually have to.
I didn't want to take the chance of having to run that stage again.
I did jokingly when I was ROing it offer anyone unlimited number of redos as long as they do them all in sequence. Nobody took me up on it.
Yeah, nobody should.
So these stages were a little bit boring, but it was an interesting chance to get out here with these rifles. That Martini did fantastically.
I came in with really, really, really low expectations, and I've never had this much fun coming in dead last or second to last or wherever I end up. It was a phenomenal day of shooting. I'm so happy.
So just to make sure that people understand this properly, yes, you had trouble hitting some of the targets.
Occasionally, yeah.
Between the smoke, the difficult to see targets, and the zero, which the basic zero on this is what, 300 meters probably?
Something like that, and it was set 150 years ago at the
Right.
factory, so,
Yeah.
but
the number of actual malfunctions that rifle had was 0 that I saw.
the only problems I was having was when I was trying to load a round and the rifle was sort of pointed upward. The round would want to sort of slide back out,
That makes sense, yeah.
but that's just gravity.
Yeah.
And then you just push the round in, snap it closed, fine.
The extraction was all good. The ejection was all nice and energetic.
Absolutely fantastic.
That was really cool.
Oh yeah.
And I had one malfunction with this thing. Still not really sure what it was. Around when I think it somehow got caught in one of the magazine feed lips while it was trying to get pushed into the chamber. But other than that, it ran just fine and it ran nice and fast.
Oh, yeah.
So, anything else?
No, I'm just still over the moon with how this rifle shot today.
And with good reason. Thank you for joining me on the video. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. All right, Tom has a few rounds left over, and he's going to be reloading with 500 grain instead of 405. So he has offered me the chance to put a few through it. And who am I to refuse that? Whoa, that shoots really high. Smells fantastic though. Recoil is actually not bad at all.
It's
pretty
much more of
mild.
a push than a punch.
But even that, it's not. I've had gigantic rifles that are like, yeah, it's a push. Like some huge angry dude shoved you.
Yeah.
This is, your carbine load in this is actually quite pleasant.